Hey, so Joel with TrueWorks Roofing in Houston, Texas. I'm here with my really good friend, David. He's invited us to his beautiful home. Thank you, David.
Gladly.
We installed a beautiful Brava roofing system on his home, as you can see in the background. How did you come across Brava, and what made you kind of know that that was the right fit for you?
Well, this was a big project, so I did a lot of research going into it. This house was originally built in the 1950s. It was added on to twice, so we had a lot of different complicated roof structures that we were working with.
Right.
We knew we also wanted to change the whole aesthetic of the house and go more towards the Spanish Mediterranean look. So we wanted a clay tile product, but we were limited with the constraints of the existing support structure in the roof. We worked with an architect, we worked with engineers, we looked at what it would take to reinforce the roof for genuine clay tile, right? So we know we needed something that was lightweight, we wanted something that's very beautiful to look at. Something that's very durable, and that really led us to Brava. The Brava tile, once I got the sample of it and was able to look at how durable it is, how high quality the product is.
I think you told me that you hit it with a hammer.
I did. I beat him up with a hammer. I actually took a hacksaw to cut into it because I wanted to see if the color actually goes all the way through the product, right? I wanted to know that if this thing gets scratched, that the color is always going to be there. Given that it's lightweight and just really beautiful, it made a lot of sense for what we were trying to do.
The roof looks beautiful. Do you get compliments from the neighbors?
I do all the time. You know, it was a real upgrade to the house, and everyone who comes assumes that it's genuine clay tile.
Sure.
I'm glad to tell them, no, this is a Brava roof. It's better than clay tile.
It looks stunning, man. I'm really happy that you're not going to have maintenance on this like you would real clay as well.
What we were really considering was what's the value that this is going to bring to the house in terms of the aesthetic appeal, how much can it enhance the value from that perspective, but then also considering what's the long-term lifespan of the roof, what is it going to save us in long-term maintenance costs, and just really not having to worry about it, knowing that this is money that we're putting into an investment that's going to serve us for decades and decades to come.
And this is protecting your house, protecting your biggest asset, protecting your family. I mean, what was the biggest kind of surprise or thing that you didn't expect?
Well, I mean, we were very pleased at how easy the whole process was. You know, Brava was great to work with. You were fantastic to work with. You got up on the roof and we laid everything out and made sure we got the right color that we wanted. And then the entire process, I think it was maybe...
Took about 7 to 10 days, if I remember right. Yeah, you have a lot of roof. It was kind of complex, but I think it went really well and it looks awesome, man. I love it.
We're super pleased with it. It's been great working with you.
Absolutely, brother. For sure.